Okay, I've never done a unboxing before, or unbagging in this case. Recently bought some moss from Wish, 2 packs as you can see here. They retail on Wish at $1.90 each, and there's £1 shipping. Now they both came from the same place. Unfortunately, they charged £1 per shipment. There was no, I'm sure they could have put them in the same box and it wouldn't have weighed any beer anymore. 0.09 kilograms, so not an awful lot. So yeah, so in total £2.90 a packet. Now I've put them on some, well, it's an old tea towel, because when they arrived, as you can hear, it sounds very dry, and one of them is losing quite a bit of dust. So I'm not overly confident. Now this one here says 3 on it, and this one says 2 on it. Now when I ordered them, there was, I believe there was 4 to choose from. I went with 2 and 3. Now 3, which is this one that we're going to open now, is called Star Moss. So let's have a look what we've got inside. I don't have any fancy gadgets for holding me video, so it's a case of opening this with one hand. But doesn't seem to be too much of a problem getting into this. Yeah, it looks very dusty inside for moss. Well, it's still quite green. So this is number 3, which is Star Moss. Yeah, incredibly dry. Not much life left in that. Bit disappointing really in the actual packaging itself. Had that come in something a little, I don't know, more secure, with some water in it. I think that would have probably come in great condition. Where it's green, it is very vibrant, as you can see. So we will just give it a good spraying of water and see how that goes. And here we are with our second one, which is the wool moss, whatever wool moss is. I'm not too up on wool moss, I'm not too up on moss for that matter. So let's have a look. I had planned on putting this in the terrarium tonight, but I think what I will do is give it a good spray of water and leave it for 24 hours. Oh, this looks even drier, but again, there's still quite a bit of colour in it from what I can see. The boxes are definitely battered. I think they ought to invest in something a little bit more secure. Again, extremely dry. So that's what we have. This is, as I say, this is wool moss. I don't know. And our Star Moss. I think what I'm going to do is transfer those into something a bit more substantial, give them a good spray of water, sit them on top of the vivarium where they get a bit of heat, and hopefully the moisture will bring this stuff back to life. Fingers crossed. Well, that's what we have. I ordered these on the 18th of March. They've arrived on the 16th of April, so just short of a month.